Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you Soren Hair Regrowth review. So you might be wondering, what is Soren Hair Regrowth system that you may be hearing online or seeing online? So the Soren Hair Regrowth system is an at-home microinfusion hair treatment designed to help reduce hair thinning and support hair regrowth. Now, according to the official website here, the system combines a reusable microinfusion device with a serum containing ingredients such as saw palmetto, rosemary extract, caffeine, copper tripeptide 1, acetyl tetrapeptide 3, and procyanidin B2. Now, and also niacinamide and patenol. Now, the company says the tiny microneedle create micro channels in the scalp, allowing the serum to reach the hair follicles more effectively. Now, using the system is quite straightforward according to them. Now, you just need to fill the microinfusion device with one serum vial and then turn it upside down for about 2 minutes so the tips absorb the serum. Now, gently press the device onto the areas of the scalp affected by thinning, making 2 to 3 passes over each section. Now, finally, apply any remaining serum to the scalp and leave it on overnight. Now, the manufacturer here recommends using the treatment once per week, with each session taking about 5 minutes. They also advise avoiding washing your hair for 24 hours after treatment to allow the serum to absorb. Now, the official website offers several package options here. The 1 month supply offers or starts at $58.46, while larger bundles reduce the cost per treatment. Now, the company also includes a 90-day money-back guarantee on all orders, according to them. So that's essentially how the Serum or Soren Hair Regrowth system actually works. It combines weekly microinfusion treatments with a topical hair serum designed to deliver its active ingredients directly into the scalp instead of applying them only to the surface. While several of the individual ingredients here have been studied for their potential role in supporting hair health here, now official website here does not provide publicly available independent clinical studies. So you may want to do your research more about this one. Now, since this is a health-related product here, it's highly recommended to consult a doctor or dermatologist before starting this system here or the regrowth system, especially if you're experiencing significant hair loss, have an underlying scalp condition, or are currently using other hair loss treatments, just to be on the safe side. But that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.